Hello and welcome to day 10 of the 21-day Master Money Now challenge. So I'm doing this challenge for conscious entrepreneurs because I don't know about you, but I like having ease and grace around making money in my business. And there are a lot of conscious entrepreneurs out there who are struggling with making money in their business. So if you are one of them, what's up with that? What's going on there? Because in my mind, from my perspective, you have much better things to do than worrying about where money's going to come from, because you've got a bigger purpose and mission to fill here in the world. So what I want to show you, what I want to invite you into, is the possibility that money is the most potent energetic path for transforming consciousness on this planet. And if that's the game that you're playing, transforming consciousness, I want to encourage you to utilize the energy of money which comes from the universe, in order to have a bigger impact on the world. So today's money mindset strategy number 10 is track money in your business. So what I'm talking about is getting really upfront and personal with the money in your business. So tracking it in a way that actually helps you to make more money. So tracking money is akin to tracking food when you're dieting. If you write it down, if you write down what you're eating, you tend to notice more what is going into your body. And it's the same thing with money in your business. So you want to be tracking the money in your business on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Because when you pay attention to your money in that level of detail, it sends a really powerful message to your brain and also to the universe that you desire to be in relationship with money. And if you aren't tracking your money, what you're communicating is that you don't really want to be in a relationship with money. So that's the distinction. That's the piece I'm hoping you're really gonna get from today's chat about money. So let me get really super practical with you for a couple minutes about tracking money in your business. So first of all, absolutely get whatever level of professional support you can, whether that be a bookkeeper, an accountant, a CPA, a financial advisor, all of the above, because these good people specialize in tracking money. And here's the thing, just because you've hired a bookkeeper or accountant or what have you, does not mean that you get to abdicate responsibility for tracking the money in your business. Because if you want to be money to be a partner in your business, you've got to stay in proactive relationship with it. You can't just ignore it and have someone else deal with it, because guess what? It's going to go somewhere else. So here are my top 5 tips for tracking money in your business. Number 1, set yearly financial goals. So work with your accountant or financial advisor to set goals for the coming year and to evaluate last year's finances. I tend to do this in November, December with my CPA. And funnily enough, my CPA told me maybe about 6 months, a year into after we started working together, she said that she meets with me more than any of her other clients, because none of her other clients want to be in relationship with money in their business. They just want her to deal with it. So I've actually talked with her about how important it is for me to be really hands-on with the money in my business. So we are now a team in ensuring that that happens. It's super cool. Number 2, use your financial goals to inform your marketing and sales. So when you set financial goals for your business, when you've got lead generation handled in your business, and when you know what your sales conversion rates are, it's actually really easy to set a yearly financial goal and then figure out your marketing and your sales strategy based on that. So if you know, for example, you want to do $100,000 in sales, you charge $10,000 per client for whatever service you provide, you need 10 clients, and you convert sales at 50%. That means you need to have 20 sales conversations to meet your financial goal for the year. So then your marketing is designed around how to cultivate those 20 sales conversations. So that's a fast fast version of how to make that happen. Number 3, keep your hands on your money in your business. I actually still do all of my own bookkeeping. So I pay all my bills that are not automated. And once a month I sit down for 4 hours and I physically go through all the receipts in my business and organize them and run my profit and loss statement and look at the income that I've generated that month. So that's what I mean by being hands-on. Number 4, you want to separate your money. So you want to have absolutely separate personal and business accounts. You want to have a separate business checking account, ideally a separate tax account, a separate retirement account, a separate health savings account, so that you can funnel a percentage of your revenue each month into each of those accounts. And then number 5, pay taxes quarterly. And this is super easy if each month you're putting a percentage of your revenue into your tax account. It makes it easy peasy to pay quarterly taxes. And that way you don't end up at the, whenever tax time comes around, for a lot of us here in the US, it's in April, you don't come up with a giant tax bill because you've already got those taxes covered. So a great resource for all of this is a book called Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. I may be pronouncing that incorrectly. So the exercise for today's strategy, which is track money in your business, is to create at least one way or a couple new ways to track money in your business. So let me know what you come up with. Many blessings. Bye for now.